Looked like the bulb just fell out. Cool. What's going on? We got some emergency work to do. Bulb came out of the right passenger side turn signal, so we got the tools, the plastic pickers, got a little screwdriver, and of course got the nail pad. Right. Won't fill up. All right, we're gonna try to get this light fixed real quick. I got work tomorrow. It's about 8:40. I don't think you ever see that, huh? 8:40. Now I've done this before, so hopefully it comes out easy. It's a 2015 Toyota Prius C. There. Right there. There we go. Bring it back. Alright, usually if I change the bulb, I could just reach in, pull it out, change the bulb. But in this case, we gotta get the bulb out, so I need to get a stubby screwdriver. Bring it back. Alright, if I remember correctly, there's 3 screws holding this in. There's 2. I think they're all the same size screws. Is there 2 or 3? There's 3. Bring it back. Alright, I'm trying to get this one through the side panel here. Yeah, that'll be easier. Limited space. That didn't sound good. Alright, I turned the wheel for some more space. 3. Now the fun part. Jackpot. Now I gotta get this all back together. I'll bring it back. One. Two. Oh, my back. This one's gonna suck. The top one from the back. Started. Three. All right, all bolts are tight. Or screws, I mean. I gotta find the bulb. Got a 50-50 shot to get this in the right way. See what happens. Yeah. All right. Test it out. Let me know if it works. Left side. Right side. Parking lights. Headlights. Alright. Cool. Alright, good to go. Parking lights on. Headlights on. Left. With a slow click. Right with a slow click. Alright. Catch you on the next one.